Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how you can make money with free AI and Digistore24 affiliate marketing. And not just Digistore24, you can use successfully this method to promote whatever you want. So first thing I wish to do, I wish to go on Pinterest trends. I wish to see what is currently trending on Pinterest. Why? Because usually stuff that are trending on Pinterest are the stuff that you can actually sell, okay? Those are usually products. So I'm here on Pinterest trends, and here you can see trending in spotlights, winter sparkling nails. You can sell these nails. Christmas party food ideas, you can sell product related to this. Homemade gifts, you can sell this product. Christmas crafts, you can sell these products. Here you can see shopping trends. People are buying this stuff here that are trending on Pinterest. Here you can see search trends, usually nails, outfit. So you can sell these products, okay? Editor speaks. So when I go back here, let's say for example, homemade gifts. Now this is actually a DIY, and here you can see when I click here you can see this actually is evergreen trend. Here you can see it is going up and down. Here you can see some related keywords. So what I need to do, I need to check the competition. So I can simply copy this keyword here. I will simply copy this, Control C. And then I will go here on Pinterest and I will search that keyword. Press enter just to check competition. Now here you can see only 7 likes, 4 likes, 2 likes, almost 2,000 likes. But here you can see competition, it's not that big, it's not that strong. And none of these pins is actually optimized, which means I can rank high on Pinterest search results if I optimize my pins. So let me check another keyword. So here you can see related keywords, okay? So for example, let's say this keyword here. I can simply copy this keyword, okay? And I can go back here on Pinterest and I can search that, okay? Press enter and here you can see competition. So here you can see competition for this keyword is actually bigger and stronger, but like I said, none of these pins is optimized, which means if I optimize my Pinterest pin, I can rank it high on Pinterest. So next thing I need to do, I need to check out to see are there any products in this category. So for example, I will go on Digistore24 marketplace and here I will search for example woodworking. Okay, give it a few seconds just to see are there any woodworking products here. Here you can see there are woodworking products here that I can promote and make money. So let me check. Here, for example, here you can see woodworking for dummies. I can earn $2 and almost $3 per sale. Here you can see beginner's guide to woodworking with hand tools. Now this actually looks like a good product. I can make $100 per sale. So this looks really good. So I can sell this and make good money. So next thing I need to do, I need to start promoting this ebook. So what I can do, I can simply go here on ChatGPT and I can give it a prompt. And I can say something like this, for example, write me an ebook about 5 easy woodworking projects that an absolute beginner can do using only simple tools, and then press enter. But I will do exactly the same thing here on Google Gemini, just to see which of these two AIs will give me better results. So here you can see Google Gemini already start writing this, and I will go back here just to see, okay, here you can see ChatGPT also start writing, and here you can see how this looks. And actually it looks like Gemini is doing a better job. So let me go back here, and actually Gemini does doing a better job. So what I can do, here you can see Gemini already finished this. So I can say, so for example, make image for each project, and then simply press enter. And I will do exactly the same here on ChatGPT, but ChatGPT is not finished. Okay, they just finished this. And I will do this, okay, and just give it a few seconds. Now, good thing about ChatGPT is this. Here you can see it can be exported as a PDF or an ebook. That is exactly what we need. So I will just wait this image. So let me just see what Gemini did. Now, this is actually not that good. They made all 4 images. But I can use Photoshop to divide each of these images separately, okay? So let me just go back here to just see what ChatGPT did. In the meantime, I can say give it another prompt. I can say make an ebook cover for this and then press enter. And here I will see, okay, here you can see this is not the best. This is much better than Gemini, but it is still not the best. So I can say exactly the same thing. Make an ebook cover for this ebook. Okay, let's just see. Now this is not the best. Let me just wait to see what ChatGPT will do. Now this is what ChatGPT did. This actually looks much better. As you can see, this is actually a really good. So let me just close this and I can click here to download this to my desktop. So next thing I need to do, I need to actually make this ebook. So I will simply copy all of this. I will use ChatGPT because, like I said, ChatGPT did better job. So I will add this as a title. So now there are actually two options. Easier option is to go on Google Documents. Click here on blank document and here document title. I will simply paste this. Okay, and then here I will also paste this and I will make this to be larger. So let's say, for example, 24, and I will make this to be centered. Okay, and then here I will actually add my ebook cover. Now to do that, you can simply go here on insert and then go here on image, upload from the computer. So let me find that image. Okay, this is the image. Click here on open, give it a few seconds. As you can see, so I actually need to make this image to be a bit smaller. And I need to, okay, here you can see how this looks. Really good. So now here I need to paste my entire ebook. So I will go back here on ChatGPT and I will simply copy this entire article, this entire ebook. Okay, so let me just select everything. Okay, and I will copy this, go back here and I will paste that here. And here you can see how this looks. Of course, I would format this much better than this, so it looks more readable, but let's just leave it like this. Now, this is the first option. Now, second option is to go here on Canva, and then here you can simply search ebook. Okay, ebook, and then here you can see templates. And then here I will simply add DIY, and then press enter. And here you can find DIY templates for ebooks on Canva. So I can use any of these. Let's say, for example, let me just find one of these templates. Let's just see which of these templates works the best for me. I will go back here just to see which of these will work best for me. Let's say, for example, this one here. I will use this one here. Simply click here, customize this template, and you can customize this template any way you want. You can replace this image with the image that ChatGPT or Google Gemini created for you with this image here. You can also add your title, you can add your table of content, you can add text, you can add additional images and stuff like that. Really easy to edit these ebooks, okay? It is all done for you. You just need to enter images and text, and that's it. After you finish, just click here on share, click here on download, and then click here on PDF standard, and then click here again on download, and you will download this to your desktop. But before you download this to your desktop, you need to do one really important thing, and that is you need to go back here on Digistore24 and you need to click here on promote now, okay? And copy promo link. So now you need to go back here on Canva and you need to, for example, let me just highlight this, and then you can simply click here on this link and you can paste that your Digistore24 affiliate link. Click here on done, and that's it. Click here done again, and that's it. You added your affiliate link. So when someone click on this link, they will be redirected to this product here. And if they buy this product, you can make up to $100 per sale. Same thing goes for Google Documents. You can, for example, highlight this, okay? And then you can click here on this little chain, click here, and then simply paste your Digistore24 affiliate link. Click here on apply, and that's it. You added your affiliate link. When someone click on this link, and if they buy this product, you will earn an affiliate commission. So when you finish everything, when you add images, when you add your affiliate links, what you need to do, you need to go here on file, and then you need to go here on download, and then go here on PDF document, and you will download this document to your desktop. But now you need to start promoting this document that contains your affiliate link. Now for that you can simply go back here on ChatGPT and you can give it a new prompt. So I can give it a new prompt. I can say something like this: make me a very engaging script for a YouTube short video about Project 5 small wooden bench or a stool. Video must be under 30 seconds long, and then press enter. Because when we go back here, you can see that this is project number 5. Here you can see project number 5, small wooden bench or a stool. So here you can see how this looks. Now ChatGPT will write the script for this YouTube shorts, okay? And here you can see how this looks. Between 25 and 28 seconds will be long this video, okay? And ChatGPT finished. So now I will give it another prompt. I can say describe each scene in detail so that the short video can be made for each scene, okay? And then press enter. And now ChatGPT will do exactly that. And here you can see how this looks. They are writing each scene by scene. So let's say, for example, I wish to make this first scene. So I will say something like this, okay? Okay, hook, finished reveal. And I will copy this. And now I will go on Grok. And then I will click here on create an image, okay? And then I will click here video and I will choose 9:16 ratio. And I will simply paste that here, press enter, and now Grok will make this video for me. And like I said in my previous videos, Grok will even add a voiceover or a sound that you need in this video totally free, okay? Here you can see 60% done, and as you can see, Grok is very fast. Okay, Grok finished, so let's just see what they done. Click here. Okay, as you can see, this is actually really good. It could be better, but this is really good. So what I need to do next, I simply need to go back here and I need to tell Grok to make the scene number 2, scene number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, okay? And I can finish this video by using any of the video editors like CapCut or DaVinci Resolve. And I can make this video and I can upload this video, for example, on Instagram as an Instagram Reels. Here you can see those videos are getting lots of views. Same thing goes for TikTok, even better on TikTok. Here you can see, for example, 9.7 million views. Here you can see 1.7, 9.2. Here you can see 65 million views this video got. Let's just see, are there any videos? Here you can see, for example, 9.7, 4.2 million views. So these videos are getting lots and lots of views on TikTok. 10.7 million views, 76 million views. Same goes for YouTube Shorts. Look at this, 1.3 million, 3 million views, 142 million views on YouTube Shorts. So you can now imagine how much money this person could make if they promoted some related product. As you see, they got 142 million views. They could make lots and lots of money with affiliate marketing with this video. And these videos are getting lots of views. So you can make a good money by making short videos about woodworking in this example and uploading those videos on TikTok, on Instagram, on Facebook, on Twitter, on YouTube, and promoting your affiliate products. You can make lots of money with Digistore24 affiliate marketing in 2026. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.